Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
You managed to get this victory. What can you say about how the team performed tonight?
I couldn't really adjust to it. And also the change up was from the south side. Actually, I was kind of nervous when we was in the first set. Because we leading and after we just throw the game. So after second set, morale is getting down. What we happened to the past two games against the Libre Catargas. But they're not going to give it up today. That's a good thing. And they're making the team up.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Justin, with 29 excellent digs. Grabe yung depensa mo in this 5-set game. Ano lang ba yung naging personal motivation mo heading into this match na help the team get the win?
Parang kunin na namin yung laro na to and then for bronze kasi gusto rin naman namin manalo and parang pinaghirapan rin naman namin yung game.
Thank you. And for Ivy, ayun nga, down kayo 2 sets before nakuha niyo yung sunod-sunod na set wins. Siguro paano lang nag-shift yung mindset ng mga players para yun, makuha niyo yung reverse sweep against Choco Motion?
Siguro yung talaga tulungan po namin as a team talaga. And like yung eagerness po talaga na manalo. Kasi ano naman po namin na eager din po manalo yung Choco Motion. So kailangan lang po talaga pag-bayan kami. And kung sino mas gusto ko manalo.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
We're Justin, long road back for you, Rohari. So dami ng pinagdaan mo rin spending time away from volleyball. Ano yung feeling to have your best performance yet? And at a very crucial game din, a chance to bring a kind to the podium.
Siguro for me, overwhelming siya kasi syempre hindi pa ako wala pa ako 1 year na kami. Siguro, hindi ko lang din ako sa chance na pinigay mo siya na yung trust.
And you talked about confidence brackets before during the season. And kanina nung you were down 2 sets, dalawang yun were close sets ng pagkaso. How do you temper yung frustrations early on to stay composed and eventually get a little strong?
Actually, kanina po, parang down po kami ng dalawang sets. Hindi po kami get frustrated. Like, ano po talaga, nasa mindset po namin na no room po for frustration today. So, kailangan po namin i-switch yung mindset namin na talagang panalo yung game at magtulungan po kami magtuwala sa
And for Coach Naka, it was a 5-set win against Choco in the semi-finals. Another 5-set